What is the difference between goat and sheep? Goats and sheep are both farm animals, but they are different in many ways. Goats are usually more curious and playful, with short tails that stick up and straight horns. They have coarse fur and love to climb and explore. Goats like to eat a variety of plants, including leaves and twigs. Sheep, on the other hand, have fluffy wool coats and usually have curled horns. Their tails hang down, and they are more gentle and calm than goats. Sheep like to graze on grass and stay in groups. Both animals are very useful to farmers. Goats provide milk and meat, while sheep provide wool and meat. Feature: goat and sheep. Physical appearance of goat is slender, angular body, whereas sheep is stockier, rounder body. Horns of goat narrow, straight, or slightly curved, and sheep is broad, curved, or spiral, if present. Tail of goat is short, upward pointing, and sheep is long, downward pointing, often docked. Fur, wool of goat, coarse hair, and sheep is thick, curly, soft wool. Beard of goat. Many males and some females have beards, and sheep do not have beards. Lifespan of goat 10 to 18 years and sheep is 10 to 12 years. Diet of goat is browsers, leaves, twigs, shrubs, and sheep is grazers, grasses, low vegetation. Behavior of goat is independent, curious, agile climbers, and sheep is docile, flock-oriented, less likely to climb. Reproduction of goat is 1 to 3 kids per litter and sheep is 1 to 2 lambs per litter. Social structure of goat is established dominance hierarchy and sheep strong flocking instinct, follow a leader. Milk production of goat distinct flavor, used for cheese, yogurt, and sheep rich in fat and protein, used for cheese. Domestication of goat domesticated around 10,000 years ago and sheep is domesticated around 11,000 years ago.